guys, this is MC Builder, and today I'm going to show you some stuff on redstone. Not my best, got lots of stuff on the redstone circle, and lots of stuff not on the redstone circle. This is basically how to make a Minecraft arrow machine gun turret. I should probably get this up a bit, because show the range of about 3, 4. Basically, we're going to turn on volume. Okay, let's go like this. Take the bedrock, and then you can build my machine gun turret. If it hits this, depending on where it hits, if it hits it up here, it can go at least 3 blocks farther, maybe. But this is pretty fast. The only thing with one not as fast is what I'm going to show you. Because this thing is like super fast, the one I'm going to show you. It's about 6 blocks long. Check. Test it. Good kill it. Go. Like this. I'll take a starter key slot. That's right. The starter key slot. I gotta be able to break this redstone torch fast. That's how you make a redstone circle. Now for the good part of this video. Machine gun. Pretty good defense. Oh. Pretty good. Oh, yeah. You don't have to do it like this. And these figures goes faster. Yes. And then you probably something like this. You'll put a supply. You hear a ticking sound. Means it's working. Never took good blood, so I fix this. And then start up the cannon with it. Load it through. Oh wow. It's quite far. So as you can see, you can defend enemies from about 1, 2, 3. Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So about 18 blocks away. So that's it. What's more creative now is that the bulb technically got shot by an arrow or something. That's right. So if you really like Minecraft, building weapons, you got one right here. And empty. That's basically the machine gun. It's really effective, kind of. And this is just basically the redstone circle out of this. So it looks like that from the top. It goes faster because of both the computers. Hey guys, no, you can talk. Hey guys, I'm showing you with my friend, name was 079. He is on survival. He's got full health. Now we are testing my machine gun turret on him. And then stand against the dirt. Well, about there is good. And that okay, so we've got 3 stacks of arrows in this. Okay, maybe not exactly. We've got 3 stacks and we've got 2 stacks and we're missing 1. Okay, here's our piece of. Let's turn it off now. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this all this stuff. Now I can just stop him. Right now he's going up my ladder. He wants to know how to do it though. It's actually a really neat elevator.
Oh my god.
So he was shot by he was shot by a lot of arrows.
Okay, what do I do?
Like, killed basically.
Do I step on this?
Wait. Just give me a second. You just go like this. Keep holding the right click. No.
Hey, it's not frozen.
I'm stuck in there. Well, it's quite complicated, but if you just stayed still, there he is right now. If you just stayed still, you probably would have killed him easier.
Ooh, what's this?
So we used about
39.
It's my machine gun pack. With a bat.
There's bats hanging
well,
on the
there's
ceiling.
2 bats, but we used about let me do the math. 11 arrows to kill him. 11 arrows from a high-powered thing. With guns. turn this off now. Okay, there we go. That's my machine gun.
Now
It's really cool. I will be showing you lots of other stuff, and this is really cool. I like redstoning. This is basically just a redstone circle.
I like circling the elevator.
I know that is really complicated. That isn't too complicated. Actually, we have the fastest elevator in all of Minecraft. Actually, okay, so on a normal world,
we are falling
right
down
now
the
we're on
stairs.
flatland. If we were to
look at me fall down my crazy.
if we were to use shut up. Okay. If we were to use a normal world, we went all down from bedrock to on this from
He did. And this is the
bedrock down in a normal world, not flatland or anything. Shut up. Ow. Well, I'm just gonna show you how to use this thing, and then we'll fix it up here, and then we'll just basically just that should do for both sides. Yes.
You have to face up and jump.
Now both sides are empty, so Dan, you can Name079. His name is not Dan. Name079 can collect those. Put it back in. Deleted.
Turn this off.
See you later.